Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Notion charts. Now, what are Notion charts? Notion charts are powerful features within the Notion workspace that allows you to visually represent data from your databases. Here is a breakdown. How do they work? Notion charts are created from existing databases. You select the database and then you choose to view it as a chart. So Notion will help you analyze the chart within the database and generate a visual representation. The next step you take after looking at how they work, let's look at the available chart types we have. Now the available chart type we have are bar charts. Now on the bar charts we have vertical bar charts, we have horizontal bar charts. Now vertical bar charts is ideal for comparing values across different categories, while horizontal bar chart is useful when category names are long. So moving on, apart from bar charts, we also have line charts. You see, line charts helps you to track trends and changes over time, and it's excellent for visualizing progress, project timelines, and data fluctuations. So those are the first two chart types we have. Then we also have what we call the pie chart. Now the pie chart is also there, and it helps to show the proportion of each category within a whole. So after looking at the available bar chart, let's look at customization options we have on Notion chart. Now the customization options we have are data selection. Here you can choose which properties from your database to include in the chart. We also have chart type. So you can select the most appropriate chart type for your data. We have color schemes. You can customize the colors using the chart to match your preferences or brand. We have labels. You can add labels to axes and data points for clarity. We have filtering. So you can filter the data displayed in the chart to focus on specific subsets. Then after checking through after customizing going to the customization option, let's look at the cases. So they have the first one, which is project tracking. It helps to visualize project progress, track completion rates, and team members' workloads. Then we also have sales analysis to track sales figures, identify top-selling products, and analyze customer behavior. We also have budgeting and finance to help monitor expenses, track income, and visualize financial trends. We have personal productivity to help analyze habits, track progress toward goals, and visualize time spent on different activities. We also have data analysis, where you can gain insights from data by visualizing trends, patterns, and relationships. Let's look at the key benefits. What are the key benefits of Notion charts? Let's look at the key benefits of Notion charts. We want to look at the key benefits of Notion charts. One, data visualization. You see, charts make it easier to understand and interpret data at a glance. And also, charts automatically update as you modify the underlying database, providing real-time insights. Also, when you customize charts, to help you suit your specific needs and presentation style, so you have flexibility from that. Then the last one is integration. Seamlessly integrating charts into your Notion workspace makes it easier to share and collaborate. In summary, Notion charts provide a simple yet powerful way to visualize data within your workspace. By leveraging this feature, you can gain deeper insight from your data, make more informed decisions, and improve your overall productivity. Now we've seen a preview overall of this. Now let's look at how we can use the charts in Notion. How do we use it? The first step you need to do is create a database. You have to create a database, then you need to choose a database type: table, campaign, list. You can choose the type you want. If you want a table, it's good for structured data with rows and columns. But Kanban, for visualizing tasks in different stages, for example, to do, in progress, and done. Then we have lists for a simple list of items. Then don't forget, after you choose a database, remember the first step: create a database. How do you create a database? By choosing the database type, then adding properties. So you define the properties of the columns that will store your data. For example, text, project name and text task name, number, budgeting hours spent, date, due date, start date, select, status, is it completed, in progress, or not started, checkbox, completed or not completed. Then next you enter your data into the database. This is how to create this is how to create a database. Now to create a database, next step you need to take is customize. So create a chart view. So how do you create a chart view? By clicking the plus button next to the existing database view. select chat from the list of view options. When creating a chat, the next step you need to take is customize a chat. So you customize the chat by choosing your chat type, whether it is bar chat, line chat, pie chat. Then select the data you want. So x-axis is property that represents your categories, y-axis is property you want to measure, and then you customize the appearance. Colors, you can adjust the colors of the chart element. You can add labels to the axis for clarity. You can filter the data to display only specific subsets. Then next, you use your chart. How do you use a chart? Analyze data. You can use a chart to gain insight into your data and make informed decisions. You can use it to monitor progress, to track progress on projects, identify trends, and spot potential issues. You can use it to communicate your findings. You can share your charts with others to effectively communicate your findings. Example: the database is a project tax database with properties like project name, tax name, status, and hours spent. The chart, I will create a bar chart to visualize the number of hours spent on each project. So that's what we're talking about. So let's move on. What are the key tips to create? What are the key tips that you need to be able to use Notion chart or create charts in Notion? The first one, make sure you have a clean data. For example, ensure your database contains accurate and consistent data for accurate chart representation. Next, experiment. Try different chart types and visualizations to find the most effective way to present your data. Use filters. Now, filter your data to focus on specific aspects and gain deeper insights. By following these steps, you can effectively use Notion chart to visualize your data, gain invaluable insights, and improve your decision-making process. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.